World will never know the monumental difficulties I faced to reveal these secrets, as they're powerful energies who oppose me 24/7 every day. And this is not for 1 or 2 days. This is going for over, what, 15, 20 years daily. So literally, it is the creator who solves the mystery of origin of life. It is the creator who solves the mystery of origin of life. So human beings, the knowledge which I am revealing in this book, human beings don't have a clue about the depth of knowledge which is there, which creator reveals. So it is the creator who solves the entire mystery of origin of life and origin of universe. It is the source itself of our universe who reveals some of the finest nuances of our origin of life and universe. It would be my false ego if I claim the credit for the knowledge. Really, it's not my knowledge, it is creator. It's creator's divine knowledge who reveals the entire mystery. I did the difficult part, which was to find the creator. That was the hard part. And then I thought it would be plain sailing. I was wrong. I was completely wrong. And then I had to go through all life's challenges, which I was subjected to with my discovery of creator. There was phenomenal opposition, a variety of energies who didn't want me to reveal this knowledge. And now remember, it's over 28 years. 28 years, which is a long time, but part of the life. Mystery of origin of life. I'm available on YouTube. I've included the links here and the link of my email address and the website. I'm also available on social media. I have met creator or infinity or singularity of our universe. This book should be talking to you, the viewer, about the creator or infinity or singularity who is real. This is the first book on creator of our universe. This is completely practical knowledge about creator who has revealed beautiful divine mysteries of our universe from inception of our universe, in fact, before inception of our universe. So the value is phenomenal. First person on earth to meet creator. Did you know? First person on earth. Every human being is made from 3 suns before Big Bang. This is a divine mystery. I'm revealing that in the book. So this literally is the first book of our universe as revealed by the creator, who has made our universe and every human beings and everything in between. This is completely new knowledge. So it's one person's entire fight against the world's best scientists, over 10,000 world's best scientists working all over the world, particularly underground nuclear facilities like CERN and Fermi and in Japan and everywhere in the world for that matter. So one person against the best of the scientists, and I've unlocked some of the finest mysteries of our creator, creation, and of origins. So in this book, I aver that this universe is beautifully designed by a designer, by a grand designer, as opposed to Darwin's design without a designer, the evolution concept. There's no designer in that. But that is also limited knowledge. And I'm going a lot more detailed before even Darwin's Precambrian era, where that's where he gets stuck when there's multiple species which appear on the earth all of a sudden at the same time. He does admit in the book that that would be fatal to his course if he can show multiple species appearing at the same time. So this book is about the design. Everything has been designed with subquantum precision by creator. So the first discovery is the quantum code. This is the hidden source code present inside human beings, on which DNA becomes manifest in human life. This is completely hidden inside human brain. I've decoded the entire mystery of this. This is a source code of our universe and life. Everything in the universe is made from this. Then secondly, quantum light. This is another beautiful discovery. There's so much details about this, which I've revealed in the book. It's a beautiful subject in itself. Another discovery is quantum universe. This discovery is beautiful because every human life unfolds from quantum universe in a controlled and timely manner on Earth. World doesn't know that. This knowledge is completely missing on Earth. How this universe is made, and where this universe is, and all that I'm revealing much more detail. This is the fifth dimension. Fifth dimension, some of the very intelligent scientists were talking about. So if you look at it in a simplistic way, this is exactly what happens. The intelligent design, quantum light, quantum code and life on Earth. I've revealed God here when really there is creator or infinity who controls everything. So that is even higher than God. So creator's intelligent design is threefold: quantum code, quantum light, and quantum universe. These three discoveries comprise the beautiful intelligent design. It's complete science. There's not a word of religion on this. All these are discovered after discovering consciousness. I've unlocked the entire beauty of human consciousness and how it functions. Consciousness is the key, the baseline from which all my discoveries stem. In fact, I was nominated for a Nobel Prize by 3 universities in Gujarat, in India, in 2020 for this discovery. I've seen how all the planets are made, how they work. They're inside you. You don't know it. People are looking at it externally, but they're made inside, and they're inside you. This picture really sums up the entire universe. The one on the left side is the nighttime view. And the one on the right side is the daytime view of the fifth dimension. The fifth dimension. So entire life's mystery, origins are decoded in here completely. It's a complete picture. I've discovered reality. Scientists cannot find any evidence about reality. I'm showing that reality exists and it's beautifully designed from subquantum precision. I've discovered 3D vision. Remember, nobody in the world knows how we get 3D vision. I've unlocked that entire mystery of 3D vision. This is another beautiful discovery. There's no way human beings can unlock this level of depth of knowledge were it not for the help which I got. It's creator revealing the finest, beautiful discoveries of our universe and the mysteries and the depth of knowledge. I also discovered triple quantum entanglement. Triple quantum entanglement is a beautiful mystery. The world only knows about double quantum entanglement. There's more to it. This triple quantum entanglement is a beautiful discovery, whose significance applies in our daily consciousness. I've unlocked the 7 layers of black hole. Black hole has 7 layers. Nobel Prize winners do not know about the 7 layers of a black hole. There's a separate video on it I've done. String theories. I've unlocked the beautiful string theories, 3 predictions which scientists cannot prove up despite 50 years of research. Despite 50 years of research, I'm revealing the beauty about the string theory of strings, which I've seen live, of 6 hidden dimensions, which I have seen live, the other hidden dimension, inner very small curled up dimensions, and also supersymmetric particles, which I'm revealing the entire details in the book. Discovered dark energy, another beautiful mystery. Science is still searching for it, and I've unlocked it in detail, which is explained in the book. We all know about electromagnetic spectrum and all the different frequencies and vibrations, wavelengths, which we see on our beautiful pictures everywhere, but nobody knows what the source of electromagnetic spectrum is. How did electromagnetic spectrum originate? I have discovered the source of electromagnetic spectrum. I've discovered 3 tiers of life. Did you know that? There are 3 tiers of beautiful life, but the world doesn't know. Limited knowledge is dangerous. I've discovered the mystery of holographic universe. We live in a holographic universe. We live in an entire holograms of consciousness. Remember that some of the geniuses from Bohm, Brigham, or Penfield, neurosurgeons, they've done a lot of work on this to try and figure out, but they can't unlock it. I discovered the beauty about the human memory. The depth of memory design is phenomenal. My book is first book with theory of everything. It's practical first of everything. Everything which I'm revealing in the book is things which I've seen myself after meeting Creator. Every picture, diagram you'll see, and there are many of them, I'm revealing as revealed to me by Creator. So my theory is really a practical book. It's a first theory and first book and practical, which unites everything from microcosm to the macrocosm in nature. Everything, plants, nature, humans, animals, planets, galaxies, stars, and so much more. Einstein's dream of trying to unite quantum theory with relativity, I have fulfilled clearly in this book, except it's all practical as well. No fancy mathematics at all. So if anybody's interested, they can contact me on my email address for a detailed flyer, which is available about the book, or a press release I have about the book. So this is the first book literally, which is $1 billion book. $1 billion book, first person on earth, first book on earth about this. Billions are spent and wasted. And look at the wealth of knowledge which I've unlocked.